All right, now for the second half of your placental mammals, starting with your hoofed mammals. So if you think about that, that would be pigs, giraffes, camels, horses. They have a hoof that's basically just a thick, hard pad that covers the mammal's toe. So just imagine like just having one giant toenail. Most hoofed mammals are fast runners. And then you have your cetaceans, which are one of two groups of mammals that live in water. But unlike fish, they have lungs and they nurse their young, and they include whales, dolphins, and porpoises. The next set of mammals that live in water are manatees and dugongs. They are the smallest group of mammals that live in water, and they use their front flippers and tail to swim very slowly. So that's what makes them different from your cetaceans. Your cetaceans will move really fast, whereas manatees and dugongs will move pretty slow. And then finally, you have your primates, which are what we are. They generally have 5 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. And they have opposable thumbs, and opposable thumbs are what you can use to grab stuff with. They are considered the most intelligent of the mammals. And they also include monkeys and apes. We're actually super closely related to apes.